the last process. Bolt down all the remaining vents, the ACs. We have already laid down the new roof membrane. Now we gotta just bolt everything down, replace it with brand new silicone, clean it up, make it look nice, and you got yourself a new roof here at RV Paint Service Department.
Again, here at RV Paint Department.
RV Paint Department.
Just say here at RV Paint Department.
Here at RV Paint Department.
Tell me what we plan to do on the sides and the moldings.
So we basically, when we tore it apart, we saw that the moldings on the side were a little worn out, a little bent. They were a little older. So now what we decided to do is to get new moldings for the customer, make it look nice and clean, modern, and clean it all up.
Just say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Hold on, 1, 2, like just wait a couple seconds because that's I gotta cut it out. So kneel down and just say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and if you got any service needs, bring it down to the RV Paint Department here in Fontana.
Say that one more time. But wait, give me every time you do it, just wait a couple seconds because I have to cut it out.
For all your service needs, make sure to stop by here at your local paint department here in Fontana.
One more time. RV Paint Department, Fontana.
RV Paint Department in Fontana.
Yeah, but wait a couple seconds and say it again. For all your service needs, the same thing again.
RV Paint Department.
One more time. So you go, for all your service needs, remember to stop by RV Paint Department.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready? You could wait a couple seconds and then do it again.
For all your service needs, make sure to stop by here at Fontana at your RV Paint Department.
Oh man, we got to get you to be an actor. One more time. you gotta say your lines right, man.
I said it right the first time because it just.
All right, go.
Out.
I know.
For all your service needs, make sure to stop by RV Paint Department here in Fontana.
That was good.
Yep.